Recipe for a successful case. The first day of fall marks the unofficial blitz towards the holiday season, starting with Halloween and then accelerating to Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Here at the Becker Law Office, we know that can mean only one thing: food. Most of us enjoy cooking for our families using both old and proven recipes, as well as new ones to treat our family and friends. Recipes can assist even the most novice of at-home chefs with creating the perfect holiday treat. The same is true of personal injury cases. Whether a slip, trip and fall, car crash, or medical malpractice, there is a recipe for a successful case. If we can follow that recipe, clients and their families will often have a good result too. Some of the most important ingredients to a successful case in Kentucky include the following. 1. Liability. To recover compensation against a defendant, a victim must establish liability or fault. This requires a victim to demonstrate that the defendant had a duty of care, breached that duty, and the breach caused the damages sustained by the victim. 2. Damages. Even if you have the best liability case, you must have suffered some damages in order to recover monetarily. The term damages is a legal concept and is defined as the relief a party to a lawsuit can recover. In personal injury actions, most damages are monetary compensation. That includes pain and suffering, lost wages, medical bills, and other losses caused by the defendant's negligence. Even if liability is established, without experiencing damages or losses, your attorney will be likely unable to recover a settlement on your behalf. 3. Ability to pay. Although you may be able to establish liability and damages, unfortunately a defendant must have the ability to pay. In motor vehicle crash cases, that ability to pay could be limited by the insurance policy the defendant has obtained, which could be as low as $25,000 per person per crash. Other landowners may not have insurance either and may be judgment-proof. Therefore, the recipe for a successful case depends on these 3 main ingredients. But like a cookbook, some recipes may be better than others. That's why victims and their families need to call an experienced personal injury lawyer like ours at the Becker Law Office in Kentucky to protect their rights. You can reach us by just dialing 3s or through our website at beckerlaw.com.